How you doing? All right. Very hot today. So a package just arrived. Just had a shave, a lovely shave. Just had a lovely, breakfast dinner with the family. And this lovely gift came from Yaqi. It has a brush. Let's take a look at it, shall we? Lovely cloth. And this is the one. Very nice. I actually do have this one. 28mm. It's a nice, lovely looking brush. Look at the details on this. I don't know if the camera's focusing because I have absolutely no idea how it looks on your end because the camera's flipped. Here's the coin. Nice box it comes with. And since I already have this, perhaps this is going to be a nice giveaway to you lovely supporters. Thank you, Yaqi. Absolutely gorgeous products they have. Look at this. So it says Yaqi here. Alright, that was one. The other one is right here. This. Let's see here. There you go. Let's get it out. Alright, I know what this is now. Comes with a blade. I think this is perhaps it's the Kai razor blade. And this is the razor itself, nicely packaged, very protective. Rubber band and stuff like that. Not rubber band, I don't know what it's called, but this is the razor. Nice looking. This is the Excalibur single-edged AC blade. When it's an AC blade, it's these, you see, very long blades. It's not a DE blade. A bit longer, and only one side is absolutely gorgeous. This is a 3-piece razor. Nice knurling. It says DLC Yaqi here at the back. Hopefully you get that. And it comes apart like this. Put the razor down here, put this on top, and screw this on, and you're good to go for an amazing shave. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this razor. Nice weight to it, and this is how it looks in the hand. Thank you, Yaqi. I'm looking very much forward to trying this out. Very nice knurling down here at the bottom here. Nice grip. Beautiful product. Set that aside without dropping anything. This one is a gorgeous one. Alright, comes in a box like this. This is their Sputnik razor, and I'm sweating. Not because I'm nervous, but because it's damn moist and humid, hot. It is very, very nicely packaged. This is how you looks when you get it. The Sputnik razor, aluminium. This you can get quite inexpensively. This, as also the packaging entails, is slightly more. Comes with this nice, very nice. I love this blue color here. Lovely stand. I'll show you in a minute. Some holes in the bottom here. Heavy. Aluminum, however you would like to call it. And DLC Yaqi here. Again, I don't know. Thick handle, lightweight, very lightweight actually, head heavy, thick handle, nice, very nice knurling this, and it sort of dots, and the dots become smaller the further down the handle you go, providing a nice grip right here. Comes a 3-piece, apart a bit intraditionally. So the handle comes here, and this one looks like this when they're pulled apart. Great, amazing build this. I believe it's what is it for this piece here? About $80. And you could put it like this. And it looks amazing on your, also stand like this, I think. You stand, whatever, in the bathroom. It looks amazing. So I'm very much looking forward to giving these races a look, a review. Thank you very much, Yaqi, for sending these to me. I'm very happy with all of it. And thank you for watching. And stay tuned if you want to see how these racers shave. Have a nice one. Bye.